Hey y'all, iRick Guy here, and this is how to change the DJI Mini 4 Pro's camera settings, the DJI Mini 4 Pro's still photos settings. We're not talking about video. I've got a separate video where I talk about that. So the first thing you want to do is power on your Mini 4 Pro, obviously your controller, launch the DJI Fly app, and we're going to go ahead and go into the app right now. Looking within the DJI Fly app towards the right middle, you can see that red circle. Directly above the red circle, there is a little thing that looks like a film strip. Now you may see something different there because your drone may already be in still photos mode, but mine's in video mode. That's why you see the film strip. So click the icon directly above the red circle, and now you can see I'm in video mode. Like I said, it's yellow, so I want to go to the top and click. It looks like a camera. It says photo. So now I've selected photo, and now we can see here you can select Single, you can select Burst, Time Shot. There's a bunch of different photo settings, but that's beyond the scope of this video. Subscribe, check out my DJI Mini 4 Pro video playlist, and we'll go into those settings in more depth in another video. So here you've got Single selected, you've got Photo selected. They're indicated as selected because they're yellow. Click out of there, just click yourself or whatever's in the camera's frame. Now looking at the bottom right, you'll see it says Pro in white, and directly to the left it says F and EV. And then off to the left there, you've got S and ISO. So I selected, you can change your ISO if you want to do that. That's beyond the scope of this video. We simply want to change the photo settings. So look to the kind of the middle right, I guess you would say. I'm going to point down to it here. It's just kind of right down there where it says RAW 16:9. Click RAW 16:9 or whatever appears for your within your app. So this is where you can select your camera settings. You can do JPEG, you can do RAW, you can do J plus R, which is JPEG and RAW. So see, there's JPEG plus RAW, there's JPEG. I'm selecting RAW. For most people, if you don't plan to manipulate the photos within post-production with Adobe Lightroom or similar tool, you may just want to do JPEG. JPEG's easy right out, ready to view. What RAW would require post-production effort, but with RAW you can better refine the colors and all that. So if you're wanting to capture the most awesome photos and then be able to really professionally doctor them up, you would probably want to go with RAW. But if you want to get both, JPEG plus RAW, but keep in mind that's going to consume more storage space on your SD. Aspect ratio, 16:9 is widescreen, 4:3 is the standard look. Actually for photos, I would probably, is personal preference, I film my videos in 16:9, but for photos I would go with the 4:3. The resolution, 48 megapixel, that is phenomenal, especially for a drone. So you can set these however you want to, and you could do a lesser resolution of 12 megapixel if you chose to do so by selecting 12 megapixel. I don't know why someone would do that unless they wanted to save storage space, but I'm going to do 48 megapixel, aspect ratio of 4:3, and RAW. Now, you know, maybe I want to do 16:9 widescreen. I mean, that's up to you. You can always, if you've got the know-how and the tools, you can always manipulate your images within post-production. But that's how to change the camera settings on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I hope this video helped. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my DJI Mini 4 Pro tutorial videos. And if you have a question, comment below, and I'll try to respond with a video response. And you know, again, this is just one of many tutorial topics pertaining to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So anything you want to ask, I strongly encourage you to. If this video provided value and you want to send me a super thanks, not required, but deeply appreciated if you do, you can look down below. It says thanks. You can click thanks, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. Thanks in advance for your support. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRick Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRick Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.